Welcome to Siretta's series of informational videos. Our aim is to provide you with background information and insight into Siretta's products, the technology behind them, and areas in which they can be used. My name is Andrew Mann, Siretta's router, modems and network analyzer product manager, and I will be covering a brief introduction to cellular analyzing and a very brief introduction to our new SENTRY remote network analyzer. Why Network Analyze? Surveying a cellular network is a powerful way to allow engineers, project managers, developers to analyze, troubleshoot, and optimize IoT applications by having a comprehensive view of network performance by capturing network traffic, signaling, and radio frequency data that can determine the correct cellular application that is optimized for you. So what is a SENTRY? The SENTRY is Siretta's newest addition to network analyzers. It's our first SIM-enabled remote cell surveying tool. The results sent in real time via the cellular network to the cloud survey portal, cell connection time testing it can offer, network speed tests, network acquisition time testing. It also has GNSS positioning, and also we have US and EU model variants available. Here's a very brief example of where the SENTRY can be used. You're a project manager and you are tasked to complete a construction project, for example, for a large building or shopping centre. So on the piece of land, there are no cable services for communication and the infrastructure has not been set yet. So the SENTRY can be used at long term to analyze the cellular networks, to understand the behavioral patterns on what times of day the network can be congested, for example. And we all know with construction projects, if there are delays in any way, it will cost the business more money in penalties or late fees. As a recap, it's multi-million pounds. The project time is in years. So the SENTRY can make a precise network analysis for the project manager to make an informed decision for the best cellular network to choose. You most certainly have a peace of mind for network choice. Downtime will be limited due to the analysis over a certain length of time, and it will obviously bring efficiency in communication at optimum levels. So what's the difference between a sniper and a SENTRY? So for the SENTRY, it's a remote device, which means you can control it, analyze it, use it via a PC or laptop. It can be left unattended. It most certainly requires a data SIM for it to communicate with our cloud survey portal. It definitely needs cloud survey to work. It measures speed and more in-depth connectivity metrics. It can produce unlimited surveys. It has a GPS location function where you can actually track where the SENTRY is. And for the sniper, it's a handheld device. It does not require a SIM. It also has a display. It also works with cloud survey, but the results can be obtained on the unit itself. One thing the sniper cannot do is offer you deep dive into connectivity statistics, and it produces limited surveys, model dependent, due to the onboard memory of the device. So what can the SENTRY do? So the SENTRY is powered by Cloud Survey. What is Cloud Survey? The Cloud Survey portal allows you to export and save all of your cellular survey results from a compatible Sniper or SENTRY product to your account in the cloud. The Cloud Survey software has a host of features, allowing you to view approximate base station positions on a map and determine the most suitable network for your application. The Cloud Survey portal simultaneously calculates the entire available network resources in the area where the survey was performed and displays the relative dominance of each mobile network operator. This allows you to make an informed decision about the optimal cellular network, taking into consideration network technology, network reliability, average signal strength, base station position, and network density. You as a user can apply filters to adapt the results list and in addition, the portal has the ability to determine where your base stations are located in relation to where your survey was performed. It can store all survey results in one central location with custom categories and individual survey labels for future identification. So here is a breakdown of the SENTRY's dashboard once you log in. You can see here, number 1 shows your device status, whether it's online, offline. Number 2 is to control your survey, so you can start it, stop it. Number 3 is to configure your SENTRY. Number 4 is to view the historical surveys. So here's an example of a network connection time analysis graph that the SENTRY can produce. So from power up, the SENTRY can analyze how long it will take to connect and get internet connectivity. This feature is extremely useful to devices that are normally in an off state to save power and then power on the cellular modem in order to send data. So here is a network performance monitoring dashboard for the SENTRY. You can review the performance of the network quickly with SENTRY's advanced survey reports. Measure the minimum and maximum connection times, including the average for the entire survey, and compare your specific network survey measurements to the system average of the network operator. So here's some further more applications that the SENTRY can be used. New developments. Motorway networks. Train/public transportation networks. Smart factories. Smart meter installation. EV charge station installation. Vending machine locations, and finally car park ticketing locations. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you find it insightful. Please do give our video a like. To see more informational videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll find useful information on our product portfolio. Remember, please visit our website and remember to look out for our newsletters and follow us on social media so you don't miss out on any future Siretta developments. Thank you.